Gas prices in North Carolina hit a 4-year low this year.
Nationally, the U.S. Department of Energy says the average Memorial Day price was the lowest it's been in 2 decades. Paul Spey is going to check that claim for PolitiFact.
Just how cheap was gas this Memorial Day? Well, the U.S. Department of Energy says the national average hit a 20-year low. This is from one of the department's social media accounts. But is it right? Well, it depends. This next chart shows the average national price per gallon for the last week of May each year for the last 20 years. The numbers are from the U.S. Energy Information Administration. The black here shows this year's number, $3.17. The blue bars show years when the price was higher than that, and the purple shows years when the price was lower than that. And you can see there were 11 other years where the price was lower than $3.17. But what if we considered some other factors here? Like proportionally, how much did each year's price affect the average American's disposable income? Let's look at that metric. It's sort of like adjusting for inflation. And if we do that, we see this year's price was actually a lot easier on Americans' wallets than most other years. Americans this year spent about 2.5% of their disposable income on gas. That's a lower percentage than every year the last 20 years, except for 2020. That's the purple bar there. And obviously, that was a weird year with the pandemic and everything. So overall, the Department of Energy post is wrong by one metric, right by another. That's why the Truth Meter rates it half true. Read more about these numbers at WRAL.com.
Thank you to Paul. Our PolitiFact team checks statements from people across the political spectrum. If you want to see something fact-checked, please reach out to us through our website or email us at report@WRAL.com.